Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a diet-friendly burrito using an easy method. First, select a low-carb tortilla to reduce your calorie intake. Next, focus on lean protein sources such as shredded chicken or ground turkey. Remember to fill your burrito with plenty of fresh, non-starchy vegetables for added nutrients and fiber. Finally, incorporate healthy fats sparingly to keep your meal balanced and delicious. Let's dive into the fillings. Prepare your lean protein by cooking ground turkey or shredding some chicken breast. For your vegetables, lightly sauté colorful bell peppers, onions, and fresh spinach until tender crisp. Consider adding a small amount of black beans. They provide excellent fiber and plant-based protein. The key is to keep your vegetables vibrant and slightly crunchy, not overcooked, for the best texture. Now let's talk about healthy fats and flavor. A small dollop of mashed avocado can add wonderful creaminess and beneficial fats. Instead of heavy, creamy sauces, choose a vibrant, light salsa for a fresh kick. Don't be shy with your seasonings. Use plenty of herbs and spices like cumin, chili powder, and garlic. A final squeeze of fresh lime juice will brighten all the flavors beautifully. Assembling your diet burrito is simple. First, gently warm your low-carb tortilla. This makes it more pliable and easier to roll. Next, layer your cooked protein, vegetables, and any other fillings evenly down the center of the tortilla. Fold in the two shorter sides, then roll the burrito tightly from the bottom upwards. Serve your delicious, healthy burrito immediately to enjoy its fresh flavors and textures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.